Hey guys, Kevin Auto Insider here. So today we are going to program these keys. The car had lost the original keys, and we are now going to program this key. This is a Toyota Land Cruiser. It's a push button. We are going also to cut the bread together with you. So this was after cutting the bread and everything. So we will have these keys. These are 3 button, and also we have another one with 2 button. We have already removed the bread and done some cutting using our machine. So the secret number on the door, we have removed the button and done the cutting. As you can see, the key is now the bread is now cut. Okay, and let's go to the car and see if it works. Thank you.